Gautam Buddha was traveling from place to place. Once he decided to stop in a village for few days. Soon people came to know about him and started to go to him to get his blessings. Some people would go to him to ask solution of their problems. One day a woman came to him and said, "You look like a prince. May I know what is the reason for wearing saffron cloth in this youth?" Gautam Buddha replied, "I retired to find solutions to questions about life. How body which is so young and attractive but soon it will be aged and will eventually go to the mouth of death. I have to gain knowledge about the cause of old age, sickness and death." Impressed by his words, woman invited him for a meal. Gautam Buddha agreed. Soon this news spread out throughout the village. After knowing this, villagers came with head of village to meet Gautam Buddha. Everyone requested Gautam Buddha, "You should not go to that woman's house for food as she is characterless." Gautam Buddha asked village head, "Do you believe that woman is characterless?" Village head said, "I can take oath that she is woman of bad character, so please don't go to her house." Gautam Buddha held right hand of village head and said to him to clap. Village head replied, "How can I clap? I cannot clap with one hand because you have held my other hand." Gautam Buddha replied, "If you cannot clap with one hand, how can it be that woman is characterless itself unless men of this village are characterless? If men of village were of good character, then this woman would not have been like this. So men here are responsible from its character." My dear brothers and sisters, the moral of the story is how simply we keep picking fault of others, blame on their character, judge them by their outfit and looks. But what about us? What about our character? What about our mentality? Is not always looking to others' fault actually shows the cheapness in our character? Saint Kabir Das said, "I searched for the crooked, met not a single one. When searched myself, I found the crooked one." This saying deals with our perception, behavior and tendencies. It has been invariably noticed that we tend to find fault with someone else for our situations and circumstances. Our I, the ego, always tries to put blame on others. Non-awareness of our own self is the cause of this attitude. Resultantly, we find ourselves being busy in criticizing and condemning others and conveniently term them as crooked or evil. So Kabir says that instead of finding fault and maligning others, dive deep into your own self. I hope you learned something from this inspirational story. Subscribe this channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.